Ever wonder how that cool gadget you just bought got from China to your doorstep? It wasn't magic, friends. It took a real adventure, filled with twists, turns, and maybe even a few squeaky moments. This little rubber duck, we'll call him Quincy, faced pirates. Well, maybe not actual pirates, but definitely some rough waves, mountains of paperwork, and enough delays to make a snail lose its patience. But thanks to a smooth shipping process, Quincy finally made it to his dream destination. And you know what? Your next import can have the same happy ending. Welcome to the Compare the Carriers channel, your trusted source for all things related to freight, transportation, and moving. Buckle up because we're about to take you on the amazing journey of a rubber duck, importing from China to the USA. Get ready for a wild ride packed with tips, tricks, and expert insights to navigate your own import adventure with ease. Our intrepid hero, Quincy, started his journey as a humble pile of plastic in a Chinese factory. He watched, or rather squeaked in awe, as skilled workers transformed him into the adorable rubber duck we know and love. But the fun didn't stop there. Quincy, along with hundreds of his rubber duck buddies, were packed into a giant shipping container, ready to embark on the vast Pacific Ocean. After weeks at sea, Quincy finally arrived at the bustling port of Los Angeles. The containers carefully unloaded from the ship and placed onto a waiting truck. Quincy's journey continues by land, traveling across mountains, plains, and bustling cities. He gets a glimpse of the vastness and diversity of his new home country. The truck reaches its final stop, a large warehouse bustling with activity. The container is unloaded and Quincy's box, along with others, is carefully transported onto a pallet. Finally, the moment arrives. Quincy's box is loaded onto a smaller delivery van, ready for its last leg of the journey. The van pulls up in front of a bright and cheerful store. Quincy can almost feel the excitement in the air he's about to meet his new audience. Inside the store, the boxes are carefully opened and Quincy, along with his fellow bath time buddies, are proudly displayed on the shelves. From humble factory beginnings to a starring role on a store shelf, Quincy's journey is a testament to the incredible logistics network that connects us all. And who knows, maybe one day he'll find himself nestled in a warm, bubbly bath, bringing joy to a lucky child. Now, let's face it, Quincy's journey wasn't all sunshine and smooth seas. He encountered some real challenges along the way, just like any import venture. Language barrier, a confused importer struggles to communicate with a Chinese supplier. Unexpected delays, a shipment gets stuck at customs causing frustration and financial loss. Damaged goods, a poorly packed item arrives broken or unusable. Hidden costs, unexpected fees and charges add up, exceeding the budget. These are just a few of the hurdles you might face when importing goods from China. But don't worry, there are ways to navigate the maze and ensure your precious cargo arrives safely and on time. Research and compare suppliers. Carefully research and compare different suppliers to find reliable partners with good communication skills. Plan for delays. Build buffer time into your timeline and budget to account for potential delays. Proper packaging. Invest in high quality packaging to protect your goods during transport. Understand customs regulations. Familiarize yourself with import regulations and duties to avoid surprise. Seek expert advice. Consult with experienced import professionals for guidance and support. Remember, choosing the right partners throughout the import process is crucial. For transportation within the US, that's where Compare the Carrier comes in. We connect you with a network of pre-vetted transport brokers specializing in vehicles, freight, and various items. They'll handle the logistics, paperwork, and transportation within the US, ensuring your goods arrive safely and on time. By being prepared, informed, and working with the right partners, you can overcome any import challenge and ensure your goods arrive safely and smoothly, just like Quincy made it to his dream bathtub. So don't let the challenges of importing quack you up. With knowledge, preparation, and the right partners by your side, your import journey can be a success story. Take a deep breath, channel your inner rubber duck, and head over to Compare the Carrier's website. We can't handle everything, but for finding reliable transport brokers within the US, we're your one-stop shop. Get a free quote today and let us help turn your import dreams into a reality. So there you have it, folks. The amazing journey of a rubber duck from China to the USA. So it was a wild ride filled with twists, turns, and maybe a few squeaky moments. But with a little preparation and the right resources, any import adventure can be a success story. But before you quack off, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content from Compare the Carrier. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share your own import stories, ask us any questions you have, and let's quack about all things shipping, freight, and moving. And if you're feeling extra generous, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy shipping. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.